Hello beautiful friends, it's Lynette here with Garden 1842 and Home, and today Nikki and I want to bring you me cleaning out my side yard, getting all the weeds out, fresh mulch, and continue planting bubblegum petunias. So come along with me today, and please hit that subscribe button for us today. We would really appreciate it. Thank you. Rosie and I decided we're going to start here. And I took half of my soil out from last year. I'm gonna put some more in here. And I wanna plant up a bunch of clay pots with bubblegum, super petunias in them. And I'm also gonna put some vine in some of the bigger pots. But we're just gonna put one super petunia bubblegum vista in each pot and see what that does for us this year. Right, Rosie? Right? Can you kiss it? Can you kiss it? Rosie wants to get in the dirt. If you look close, she already has dirt kind of everywhere. You gonna get in that dirt? Yeah. Hey Rosie, are you ready? Alright, so we got the vine in there. Now we want to pop our beautiful Proven Winners Bubblegum Petunia. Oh. And I always like to give my stuff a good start. I use Espoma Organic Biotone, and this is the starter. So any new plant that I'm going to plant this year, I'm going to give it a little handful of soil or fertilizer. Now this fertilizer is going to be your long-term fertilizer, and you still want to give your super petunias, or any petunia I guess for that matter, a really good weekly liquid fertilizer as well. Right, Rosie? Alrighty, so we got one pot down. I think there's 6 more that I want to do like this. And I'm going to go ahead and do them, and I'll show you them all when I'm done. You guys, this bed is so exciting to me. And the reason it's so exciting to me is that this is my bed from scratch. This whole entire long bed here is my design and what my inspiration in my head came up with. So it's so windy today, but I wanted to show you, I got everything pretty watered in, and I wanted to show you kind of what I'm doing. So this bed here is on our side yard, and I got a popcorn viburnum here in the corner, and then all along the border here is a mix of salvias and veronica. And what my vision is this is an incredible hydrangea here, and I want that pot to be overflowing with pink petunias, the purple salvia, and the white hydrangeas. So here is my salvia. I put a little statue right there. I got a mix of salvias and veronica. I can't tell you which one's which. Well, I lie. I think this is the veronica here, which I should have split this year. But this is my border. And then the back part of it is going to be the incredible hydrangea, the bubblegum super petunia, dwarf spruce, bubblegum, incredible, bubblegum, spruce, bubblegum, incredible, and on down the line. And then way back here in the back, I do have a little knockout rose. And this is a black tower, what is this? Sambuca. Black tower Sambuca. Well, thank you guys so much for spending the afternoon with us today. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button because I want to be able to show you guys how this all ends up turning out.
I planted some bubble gum because Lynette suggested it in my little Zen garden here. And I do think they are going to be beautiful. Hoping they spread all around. It just poured here, so my fountains are high. It's been pouring for days. But I gotta tell ya, the flowers love it when it pours like this. Go get you some bubble gum or whatever flowers strike you. Whatever you like, whatever just makes you happy. Go get some.
Well, you guys, this was a super fun project for me. I'm so excited about these bubblegum petunias in my side yard getting weeded and cleaned out. Okay, I'm a mess. It's getting really cold out here, so I'm gonna have to run in and get a jacket. But thank you guys so much for spending some time with us today, and go find your passion.